Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for being with me so far. In today's video, I'm going to do a review. Yes, a product review. So guys, stay tuned and let's do this review together. And my product, what I'm going to discuss about it is this one. Yes. This is the product I'm going to do a review about it. This is the product I'm going to do a review about it. Yes, I will show a picture here or here for you to know. This product is called Glow Halfcast Extra Fairness. Yes, this product is a brightening milk. Guys, please, it's a brightening milk, not half-cast milk. Please, it's a brightening milk. Yes. So right now I'm going to read some of the ingredients. Water inside, propylene glycol, mineral oil, silicone oil, shea butter, cetyl alcohol, citric acid, kojic acid, emulsifier carrot, alpha arbutin, glutathione, preservative, and also fragrance. So this milk is a brightening milk. Okay, so guys, please don't think about the name, just think about the milk itself. It will give you that hot chocolate. Yes, it will never whiten you. This for me, my own review, please, from my side of review, it will never give you a whitening tone. It will give you that brightening effect. Okay, so guys, you can buy this product and use it and or try it out. Okay, clarifying brightening beauty milk. So it's not whitening milk, and you're whitening, and you're brightening milk. So guys, yes, in today's video I'm going to do this. Thank you for watching my product review video. Guys, please like, share, and comment. You can use it and bring your review too. Yes, see you in my next video. God bless you.